Well, welcome to Smoky Goodness. As you can tell, we're having a night queue, and it's a very, very pleasant evening for a change. Tonight, we're having Tornado Alley style Malibu Chicken, and I think we're going to have some corn on the cob for the sides, and maybe some other good stuff. But you're going to love this. Stick around, Herb. Hey, it's getting smoky out here. Okay, for real Tornado Alley style Malibu Chicken, here's what you're going to need. Start off with free-range chicken. This is boneless, skinless, free-range chicken breasts. Very important. And of course you need sliced Swiss cheese. It wouldn't be Malibu chicken without it. And of course some ham. I would have preferred to use a thicker sliced ham, but forgot to buy it. As simple as that. And this is what makes our Malibu chicken the best. This is a Kentucky Bourbon based Mango Chipotle grilling sauce. It's got just enough heat to make it interesting, but it's not too hot for kids or anything like that. It just really sets this apart. And of course, last but not least, actually first but not least, you need a good rub. And as always, when we're doing boneless, skinless, free-range chicken breasts, we like to use BBQ Pit Boys Java Rub. This stuff is incredible on chicken. You gotta try it. Check out their website. You'll see the directions on how to make it there. So let's get this started, shall we? Gotta check on the corn. Coming along now. Corn's done. How about that? holes in it. Wow. Whoops. I'd go so far as to say this is the best chicken on all of YouTube. Yes, it is. All right, stick around, Herb.